Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a specific video in your website. For that you have to log in into your website. After logging your into your Odoo app website, just click on this profile icon and go to my database. From here you have to just go to connect, click on the connect. From there you have to choose this option website, and from here you have to click on edit, and after clicking on edit it will redirect it to you can from here you can just edit whatever you want. For example, I want video here, so here you can see no, I don't, so I have chosen a wrong image, so I have to uh, click on re-edit. From here you can just simply see this video option. Just you can just click and drag wherever these blue lines are showing. For example, you can add this um, video here, but for example I want video here. For that you have to add a section which is uh, let me just think. For example, I want to add video here. For that I have to add a different section over here. Just you can drag this video here. As you can see, you are able to see this blue lines. Wherever blue lines are showing, you can insert this video option. um, but if you want to add here, for that you have to add a first section. From there you have to add the video option. So if you want to customize this option, you can just go there, and whatever you want to see, like video. For example, I want to add a specific video from YouTube. Go to uh, YouTube. Whatever video you want, you have to, like, if you have to copy the embedded, for example this video, uh, for example I will search Mr. Beast, click on share. From here you can see embedded, click on that and copy the source, copy the source and just head over to the website. And here you can see this video is get added into background, just because I added in the wrong way, you can see. So you have to be careful while you are adding a video. Uh, this is a get error. So this is how you can add a video into your website. So just play with this video tool. You will get how you can customize that, and how you can make more customization into anything. You can just go to loop, hide players, autoplay, icon. You can just click icon, whatever you want to do with this video option you can do. So after that, after adding this video, click to save. It will save the video. So this is how you can add the a video in your Odoo website. So if you this found video helpful, then thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. And yeah,